Attach the siphon inside the water tank. Second, connect the siphon using PVC pipe. Third, attach the fittings to the water pump. Now add the water. Insert the leca. The complete system will look like this. When the water level reaches the top, it will flow out and the process of filling and draining continues, creating a natural filtration system that provides the plants with nutrients, while keeping the water clean and healthy for the fish. The water will flow out here. You also can grow plants at the top.